Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to archive cards and lists from Trello and unarchive them later. So right now you'll see here that I'm currently on the landing page of Trello. Personally, this is my workspace. This should be the landing page you should be seeing also on your end once you're trying Trello out. So before we get started, a quick reminder, what is Trello? So Trello is an office management or project management website or platform, much like Asana. And that being said, let's get started with this one. So basically, you're gonna have lists. As you can see right there, I have 3 sample lists. And each of the lists have cards. Just for discussion purposes, I made these cards. Now, if you hover your mouse on each one of them, you can highlight those cards, right? And of course, you can archive them if you click one, and you'll open them right there. You'll see on the very bottom right corner, there's archive. So if I click on archive right now, it will automatically say on the top section, this card is archived. But you're gonna have an option to unarchive it the moment you archive it. So you can unarchive it if you click on send to board, it will go back from the original position. However, if you archive and then delete, if you click on that red delete button, you're gonna delete this card forever. Let me just go back, bring it back to the board. Perfect. So that's gonna be the first step. Second way of archiving cards is gonna be that pencil icon. If you click on it, you'll see archive right there. So you can click on that option right there to archive your cards. And lastly, the fastest and my personal favorite, if you hover on the card that you want to archive, for example, this work 2 card, I'm just gonna simply highlight or hover it. You'll know you're hovering if you see that outline or below outline inside the card. And simply click on the keyboard the letter C. Like that. On the bottom left corner, you'll see the notification that the card has been archived. You can undo it on this option also. Easy as that. So I gave you 3 ways now on how to unarchive cards and archive them. So let's move on with the list. So for example, I have 3 lists here. I want to archive sample list 2. I'm going to head over to the 3 dots right there. So I'm going to have 2 options. I have archive all cards in this list or archive this list altogether. So it might seem similar, but the difference in that is, for the first option, it will only archive the list, which is going to be work 1, work 2, and work 3. But the list is going to be here. If you click on archive this list altogether, everything inside this list, including the cards, will be removed, or rather archived. And that is how you archive your list. So let's try this one right there. I'm going to archive this list, or I'm going to try this one. Archive all cards in this list. Archive all, so everything is right there. So you may be wondering right now how we can return those items on sample list 2, or how to return those cards. Because if you click on these 3 dots right there, there's no option to return those cards. So the 2 ways to return those is simply on the search bar, type in the card name, for example. I think that is work 1, if I'm mistaken. And there we have it. I have work 1, 2, and 3, and currently they're on archive. If I click on work 1, like so, I can open it and then send it back to board. So that's going to be one way of returning the card. Another way, and the fastest for me, is click on those 3 dots. You're going to have this option right here that says archive items. Click on it and it will show you everything that is on your archive list. So these are cards as of the moment. If I can click on switch to lists, this is the list of the archive list. So it must sound redundant, but that's it. This list is for archived list, and this list right there is for archived cards. Those are the difference. So I can rather return this to board, like so, and we'll return work 1. However, if I delete this one, this will be permanently deleted in my Trello. Basically, that's it. That's how you archive and unarchive your list. And basically, that's it. That is how you unarchive or archive your cards or lists in Trello. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.